Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we have something that will satisfy your peanut butter cravings without the guilt. We're talking about Nutricost peanut butter powder, a game changer in the world of nut spreads. Stay tuned to discover why this is the best peanut butter powder available. Nutricost peanut butter powder is making waves in the health-conscious snack world. Let's dive into why it's the best choice for peanut butter lovers. First and foremost, Nutricost peanut butter powder is truly unique because it contains no added sugar. That's right, zero. For those looking to cut down on sugar, this is a game changer. What sets Nutricost apart is that it has approximately 87% less fat than many traditional peanut butter brands and only one-third the calories. So, you can enjoy that peanut goodness without the guilt. Need a protein boost? Each serving of Nutricost peanut butter powder contains a whopping 8 grams of protein. That's perfect for those looking to add more protein to their diet. Not only is it sugar-free, but it also contains zero sugar alcohol. Say goodbye to that strange aftertaste you often get with other low-sugar products. Nutricost is committed to quality, and their peanut butter powder is non-GMO and gluten-free. It's a choice you can feel good about. But here's the kicker. There are countless ways to enjoy Nutricost peanut butter powder. You can mix it with water for a traditional peanut butter spread, add it to your smoothies, oatmeal, or use it in your recipes and baking. To sum it up, Nutricost peanut butter powder is your guilt-free, delicious peanut butter alternative. With no added sugar, low fat, high protein, and versatile usage, it's a must-try product for anyone looking to enjoy the goodness of peanut butter without the sugar worries. That's all for today's product critique. If you've tried Nutricost peanut butter powder, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the best products in the market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.